Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to use Google Earth. So just let's start. So first of all you guys have to open up your Google browser and after opening it up just go on to your Google Apps and after going on to your Google Apps just click up on Google Earth and open it up and after opening it up you guys can easily go to any location you want just like I want to go to South Korea. I want to take a look at it. Just that's how it look, how its building looks. So I will just scroll down and I will click on 2D. And as you guys can see, you guys can easily take a view of it, its highways, its public centers, and anything. You guys can also enable the street view from here, just like that. You guys can easily enable the street views and you guys can see any location you want for your further vacations, for your future vacations. And it's a bit easy tutorial and you guys can easily use it. It's not that's complicated. And that's how you guys can easily use Google Earth. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching.